Hi, my loves. Come and spend the day with me. Right now, I'm going into the gym. I'm going to put like half an hour workout on the treadmill. I normally do only half an hour because I can't keep up these last days. I'm trying to work my legs out. Today is legs day. Then I'm going in the kitchen to make some breakfast, some egg pancakes and no, not pancakes, fruits, bacon and bread. After that, I am going to my favorite store, so I'm going to take a shower and I'm going to leave out to my favorite store. At least it's my daughter's favorite store. She loves Altered State. It's in the Boca Mall. Really going in there to pick up some pink dresses. She says she wants her closet to look like Love Shack Fancy. This body mist was really nice. It's on the floral side. I like fruity fragrance. They have a lot of blues and a lot of pinks. A lot of blue though. Very pretty dress. Look like Love Shack Fancy. And I'm heading to the back to see if I find her size. She wears small. Sometimes I wear some of their skirts. And this is what I picked up. 3 dresses, blue, pink, and another one was in the bottom there. Now I'm heading to my favorite place. I'm excited. Carrot Express. I'm obsessed. I've always heard of Carrot Express, but I've never been there until last month. And from that, I'm always there. Loving it. What I'm going to get today is tuna sandwich. No. That's the wrong day. I've been there so much that I'm getting confused. I'm going to pick up salmon sweet potatoes. Yeah, that's what I'm going to have. Salmon and sweet potatoes with pesto sauce and some avocado and salsa. Is that salsa? And then my favorite place again, Jeremiah's Ice. I love the pina colada with a little ice cream on top. That is my go-to. This is my 4th time.